Over the past 20 years, regulatory requirements have enabled particulate emissions from diesel engines to be reduced 30-fold. The pollutant emissions per kilometre from one Euro 1 vehicle are equivalent to 30 Euro 6 vehicles today. A clogged filter contains the equivalent of more than 10,000 kilometres of accumulated and concentrated emissions. Not respecting the diesel particulate filter maintenance requirements causes the clogging of the filter, which results in a higher fuel consumption, with the risk of damaging other parts, as well as a loss of engine power that can lead to a total immobilization of the vehicle. The wearing of adapted individual protective equipment is mandatory when the filter is manipulated. The filter is then hermetically sealed for the safety of our employees. The filter is now ready to follow a rigorous process. Nowadays, the group cleans more than 10,000 filters each year. The waste collection and incineration are done by a company specialized in the reprocessing of hazardous waste, respecting environmental requirements. A first visual check is made to identify if the filter is cracked, polluted, or damaged. If this is the case, the filter is removed from the cleaning process and sent to the waste collection area. The other filters enter the cleaning process. The first step consists of removing mixed ashes and soot with compressed air. We can see how effective this operation is. Next comes a back pressure test to measure the cleaning efficiency. It's completed by an ultrasound check to validate that the filter is not cracked. The filter is then sent to the burning area. During this process, the filter is placed in an oven at 600 degrees centigrade for full regeneration. Another compressed air treatment after the ovens and a last back pressure measure are done to finalize the cleaning. The external steel is meticulously cleaned. This process ensures Renault Trucks can offer you an as-new particulate filter. Renault Trucks provides you with everything you need to guarantee the quality of your maintenance. Renault Trucks guarantees you the only approved, reliable and proven cleaning process to protect you as well as your environment.